Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here's the simplest way to translate your video into different languages and create some stunning captions with just a few clicks. From the Edit Captions menu, check the transcript settings for your video and hit the View Transcript button and just give it a few seconds. Next, press the translate icon at the top and now you can see that Cutback supports translations in more than 30 languages. Select your target language and hit the apply button. And there you go, the whole video is translated. You can choose to insert the translation as standard Premiere Pro captions or export it as an SRT file. There's also an option to create animated captions with the translation. Select Animated Captions, then click Next, and choose a template that you like. You can always customize the details anytime you want. After making a few adjustments, hit the Apply Changes button, and voila! You will have animated captions with translated text below. Expand your global audiences with this powerful feature. That's it for today, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye!